Hi guys, it's Bella. In today's video, I'll be showing you the Airbnb in which I stayed at while in St. Martin. So come along with me, why don't you? Located in French St. Martin, nestled between a lagoon and the ocean, is a charming Airbnb known as Lagoon Terrace. As you enter this cozy space, you would find the toilet and separate bathroom area on your right. The shower room features a walk-in design with a double shower head, perfect for those who prefer an overhead shower or a handheld option. The space also has a large mirror and a spacious sink with plenty of storage. Just outside the shower room is the separate toilet area for added convenience. Next up is the cozy bedroom area, which features an extremely soft queen-size bed, perfect for sinking into after a day of adventure. A plush sofa provides a comfortable spot to curl up with a good book, which can be chosen from the selection available in the room. A dedicated workspace with a desk, chair, and lamp ensures that you can stay productive if needed. Ample storage in a large closet keeps your belongings organized, and a mounted TV completes the picture for relaxing entertainment. Stepping out of the bedroom, you would find the delightful dining and kitchen area. The dining space boasts beautiful decor with a rustic overhead light and a charming little table with seating for comfortable meals. The well-equipped kitchen features ample storage space, a sink, a refrigerator, and an induction stove. Sliding open the doors and stepping out onto the beautiful terrace, you would be greeted by the lush greenery, creating a tranquil atmosphere. The sparkling pool will beckon you for a refreshing dip, while the endless shades of turquoise in the lagoon beyond promise unforgettable views. For those beach days, a handy trunk awaits, stocked with all the essentials to ensure you soak up the sun in style. Would you stay at this Airbnb? Let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more St. Martin videos. Bye!